Welcome to ColorBox, your personal hair color creator. In this video, we'll walk you through how to get started and dispense your first custom color in just a few simple steps. First, place the device on a flat surface. Pop in the color cartridges, matching them to the color labels inside the compartment. Plug in the device using a USB-C fast charger. You'll hear a cheerful beep once it powers on. Next, add your color device to the app. Once it is connected, you'll hear another beep. Now lift the dye compartment and place the scale plate before placing the dye bowl. In the app, choose your desired shades. Try extract from image to create dyes inspired by your favorite photos. You can even pick multiple shades if you're going for something bold like a rainbow look. Then set the amount you need for each shade and press Send to Device. When you're ready, tap Dispense and let the magic happen. Once all the colors are dispensed, give them a good mix until it's even. Previous sessions were saved in history, so you can recreate anytime. You can also dispense a custom color depositing conditioner to maintain your shade's vibrancy. Keep track of your creative fuel. The app monitors dye levels in real time, so you're always ready for your next look. After you're done, just wipe the nozzle clean and gently push the compartment down for storage. Finally, disconnect the power. That's it. Have fun, get creative, and we hope you get your perfect color every time.